Okay, why is the price dropping right now from 43,000 down to 39,000? I'll tell you really quick, but first please like and subscribe and check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, our market updates, cool Discord, all that. Okay, so Bitcoin is at a, what is it, $7.7 billion or $770 billion market cap, right? So that's not very large, considering like real estate is like at a $200 trillion market cap globally. So you have billionaires and countries and companies wanting to buy Bitcoin. How are they going to do it? Well, they have to get together, manipulate the price, smash down the price. And how do they do that best? They find leveraged traders, that people that are over leveraged, and they liquidate them. They drop the price and they can see exactly who's leveraged, so they go ahead and drop the price, and that's how they kind of dollar cost average. So this price action is actually very normal, and it's actually needed to ensure that more and more Bitcoin are being bought by these large people, because they're not going to just buy, right? What would happen if all these billionaires and countries decided to buy Bitcoin? Price would skyrocket. So they're not going to do that right now. They want to buy low, sell high. They're smart people. Okay, so let's go over some of this. And some of the big investors right now that are wanting to buy Bitcoin, Luna is just one of many. I'm just picking one or two. Okay, so they own right now 42,500 Bitcoin, worth $1.7 billion, right? And so they're buying more and more. You have MicroStrategies. You have other people that not even telling other people what they have, right? So now the exchanges are losing Bitcoin at a super rapid pace. Right now, I remember the video that I had just done a couple days ago. There was about 2.4 million Bitcoin on exchanges. Now it's about 2.3. It's going to be soon under 2.3 million Bitcoin on exchanges. That is Bitcoin being taken from exchanges and thrown off exchanges, right? Now, this just in as well. So last weekend, there was $1.2 billion that had flown out of Coinbase to cold wallets last weekend. All right, so there's more and more Bitcoin being taken off exchanges, which is totally normal. Also, Australia just is coming out with a Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, spot ETF. So they're actually taking the physical Bitcoin and physical Ethereum, and they're placing it into a spot ETF, and they're expecting $1 billion worth. This is coming from Australian Financial Review, which is quite a lot, all right? So now, speaking about Ethereum, all right, we have 11,600,000 ETH locked for staking, right? So this is coins being taken off exchanges onto staking, earning like 3 to 6% interest API. All right, so that's about 9.7% of the ETH supply, which is $33.5 billion worth at these current prices. So yes, Ethereum is essentially becoming more scarce as well. People can say whatever they want with like, oh, there's unlimited supply or whatever. Listen, people are buying ETH en masse right now. Okay, big money is doing that. So I'm going to follow big money. I'm also going to not believe the Fed that they're going to raise interest rates too much or anything meaningful, right? And there's a lot of people that are scared that the Fed is just going to have to stop printing, right? Well, I'm going to end it with this. 83% of all US dollars were created in 2020, 2021. And if you think they're going to stop printing, you've got another thing coming. You have not seen anything yet with the amount of currency they're going to be printing. So anyways, hope you enjoy Oman. I am in Oman right now. I just decided to pull over really quick just to give you guys a quick video. We're in the middle of nowhere. I have no idea where we are. But anyways, take care. See you later.